Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can fix Apple Music Sing not working. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. Okay, so first thing that you need to check is if your internet connection is stable. So make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi if you're on Wi-Fi, or if you have a strong internet connection if you are using your data. Another thing to check is if your software is up to date. So go ahead and update your software to ensure that all features from Apple is supported by your device. Another thing that you can do is you can go to your phone's settings and then you can scroll and look for your music app. So mine is right here, and what you can do is sign out from this app and sign back in again. Alright, so if this is still not working, you can actually go ahead and uninstall this app and reinstall it after a few minutes. Alright, so I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.